Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's video, we're going to talk about a few more examples of using prepositions of time, and we will basically again be revolving around these three only, that are at, in, and on. And for our convenience, once again, we'll name this particular video prepositions part third. So let's just see it. The first example, the first row that you see right here, we have expressions such as in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Notice that with these words we are using, first of all, preposition in, and well, there is always article the in the middle. So not a difficult task though, but we can just see one sample example. For example, I met her in the evening. Not a complex one, right? So let's talk about the second one. Now this one's a real interesting. You have expressions morning, afternoon, evenings, but just before them we also have Friday, Sunday, and Monday. So what do we do then? We do one simple thing. We put the preposition according to the word that is nearest to the preposition. So here Friday is nearer to where we're going to place the preposition, so it will completely comfortably be used according to Friday. So on the names of days we use preposition on. So in all these examples we'll be using preposition on. And just to see an example, let's write a sentence. Let's meet on Friday morning. See, while these expressions are very usual and you will come across them on a day-to-day basis, but still you must pay attention so as to not get confused. Remember, in this particular instance, the word that is likely to be put closer to the preposition will determine which preposition is to come with us. So we, as a result, used on with words such as Friday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Coming to the next point, see, this is a rule. What you have to understand is that you do not use prepositions. You do not use prepositions when there are such words before another word that shows time. So we will take a few examples of this as well. See, they got married last Friday. So we did not use any preposition here because the word last came here, the adjective last came here before this noun Friday. So we're not going to use any preposition here, no at, in, or on. Moving ahead, to show some time in the future, we use expressions such as in a few minutes, in 6 months, in 6 months time, or in a week's time. All these expressions essentially tell you a time in the future. And let us see an example. The train will be arriving in a few minutes. So simple enough. This expression, particularly in a few minutes, tells you what? A time that is going to arrive in future. Simple enough, I guess. Moving on. Similar expressions can also be used to tell how long it takes to do something. For instance, I learnt English in 1 year. So this expression tells you how long it took you to learn English. So, well, let's take a quick review of what you've studied today. We studied expressions where we used in with words morning, afternoon, evening. We used on when there is a day's name that comes before words such as morning, afternoon, and evenings. And then we read that when you have adjectives such as last, next, this, and every, we do not use any prepositions. And then we took a look at a few expressions that show you sometime in the future. And similar to that, at last we studied that well, there are certain expressions that tell you how long it takes or it took to do something, to finish something. So that'll be it. Thank you very much, and see you soon.